Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make frozen margaritas with a Ninja blender. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 2 ounces of your favorite tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, and 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. For that perfect frozen consistency, make sure you have about 1 cup of ice ready. If you prefer a sweeter drink, a small splash, perhaps 1/2 ounce, of simple syrup can be a great addition. Now let's get blending. Carefully pour your tequila, triple sec, lime juice, and any simple syrup into your Ninja blender pitcher. Next, add your 1 cup of ice. It's crucial to secure the lid tightly to prevent any splashes or spills. Then, select the smoothie or ice crush setting on your Ninja blender. These settings are specifically designed to handle ice effectively, ensuring a smooth blend. To achieve that ideal frozen margarita texture, blend for about 30 to 60 seconds. You want to ensure all the ice is completely crushed and integrated. If you notice any larger ice chunks, use short pulses to break them down further, creating a consistently smooth, lump-free drink. If your mixture seems too thick, add a tiny bit more lime juice. If it's too thin, a few more ice cubes will do the trick. Once your margarita reaches the perfect consistency, it's time to serve. Carefully pour the frosty mixture into a chilled, salt-trimmed glass. A fresh lime wedge on the rim adds a beautiful, classic touch and a burst of citrus aroma. Your delicious frozen margarita is now ready to be enjoyed. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home audio experience and bring your space to life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.